India Today's special investigation and the sting operation on stubble burning and how norms are being flouted has been mentioned before the Supreme Court. The Petitioner Council has told the court that the special investigation was done in areas including Sangrur in Punjab, and the amicus telling the court that in India Today, the report that the officials have confirmed with the details that have come in, and the state has asked them to put that ahead of before. Amicus has also added state officials saying that and more discussions that are happening over this. We are told that the advocate for the petitioners added that the news report has interviews with people who claim that they have been told to do the stubble burning, and that this is deliberate and nobody is realizing the kind of impact it's having on people, not just in Punjab, in Delhi NCR, but in other cities too. Our legal correspondent Srishti Ojha joins me with the latest on that. As more and more details coming in on that, remember this is, and it's not the first time, India Today reports consistently being mentioned of the, even of the special investigation where we showed how the norms are being flouted at Delhi-Noida border. Srishti, I'll bring you in here. What is this about, and how has India Today investigation and the report, its impact, found its way to the court?
Well, Pooja, it's definitely a big India Today impact. This is the second back-to-back hearing where we have seen an India Today investigation report being mentioned before the Supreme Court. We're talking about India Today's investigation, which our story which had revealed that there are junior-level government officials on ground, on camera, who actually admitted to the fact that farmers are being asked to burn the stubble in specific hours during the day to ensure that they are not detected by the satellites, because the satellites operate only in specific hours. So they have been asked to burn stubble in certain hours where they will not be detected by the passing satellites. So this is the investigation report which was today mentioned during the air pollution hearing before the top court by the petitioner lawyer, who pointed out before the court that such an investigation has been carried out, and the report basically talks about the stubble burning issue. The amicus curiae in the case, who basically assists the Supreme Court, also told court that the government officials, according to our India Today report, have admitted that they have in fact told farmers to burn stubble in specific hours. Now the important part here is that the court has taken it on record in its order.
Great.
Officially recorded that the court's attention has been brought to a certain India Today article, and if whatever allegations have been made in that story are correct, then it in fact is very serious. They have said that officials cannot permit farmers to burn stubble in this manner.
That's the reason that India Today, unlike other channels, ensuring that we go a step ahead and bring to the viewer what precisely is unfolding on the ground in reality, and not just political showdown and bickering of it. Srishti, thank you very much for updating us on what exactly happened.